said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
Okay, so we do a lot of undersealing here at Dynodaze, making sure cars are fit for the winter. Now this one underneath, when it's in focus, is pretty dry and not in very bad nick, to be fair. I mean, we've seen a lot worse. This one just looks dry, looks like it's not protected, so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to spray Waxoyl on the whole underside of this car. That's going to leave it looking nice and fresh and black and protected for the winter. So next up, we'll get spraying. This is the stuff we use. It's a Hammerite product. It's shut with added Waxoyl. We've used this on everything that comes into Dynodaze. It is the best stuff. It attaches to the gun, so we get it warm and then we fire it on. Obviously, with this particular car that we're doing, it doesn't need a lot of work underneath to get it ready. So a quick clean off, quick brush off, and then we're ready to go. Right, Jason? Yep. So that's the underside of the car cleaned. This is the debris that we've took off to make sure that we get a nice finish. Yeah, that's a pile of dust. Looks like a vampire's died. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, comment in the section below. Plenty of stuff to be winning soon, loads of free stuff. So as long as we see you on YouTube saying hi and getting involved, and you'll be in for a chance to win stuff. Cheers.